in the august presence of our Chairman, MD and CEO, and the Board of Directors. Introducing Uco Bank's centralized CASA back offices at Kolkata and New Delhi.
Hey, hey, check 1 2, check check. Hey hey, 1 2, check check. Hey 1 2, check. Check check. Hey hey, 1 2. Check check. Hey hey, 1 2, check check. Hey hey. Check check check. Hey.
check, one, check, hey, hey.
Touch will leave me breathless, so let me give it back to you. Oh, my things she do, I owe it to myself to catch her loose. Baby, don't lie, say it's no use. You realize 'cause I'm done with you. Oh, my things she do, I owe it to myself to catch her loose. Baby, don't lie, say it's You know my name. Sunshine and rain. Some things don't change. Thinking about the days we were young, girl. Innocent in our ways, we were dumb, girl. Forward alone, but nothing really mattered. I could always count on you. Forward alone, your touch will leave me breathless, so let me give it back to you. Forward alone, my things she do, I owe it to myself to catch her loose. Baby, don't rise, yeah, it's no use. You realize 'cause I'm done with you. Oh, my throat, oh, my throat, oh, my throat, done with you.
wasn't just some army of love. Maybe we just losing control. Without it all feeling like lost. I need some more, I need some more. I need it again. 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 Wasn't just some army of love. Maybe we just losing control. Without it all feeling like lost. I need some more, I need some more. I need it again. I need it again. I need it again. I need it again. You holding up the wall, white t-shirt on. Tell me you're alone. I'll take the chance. Whoa, the night is young. Wanna have some fun? Do you like what I got on? It's time to dance. Don't fight the feeling. Let's get revealing. Show me the moves you got. Yeah. Don't leave me hanging. The music's banging. I'll show you mine. Just watch. Yeah, take that. It's time to hit the dance floor.
'cause we're gone. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone. When you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone. And you're staring back at me. Staring back at me. I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No, 'cause we're gone. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone. When you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone. And you're staring back, never back, never back, no, 'cause we're gone. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone. When you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone. And you're staring back at me.
I'm sorry that you feel that way. I'm sorry that you feel that way. I'm sorry that you feel that way.
Yes. Hello. Hello. Yes. It's not on the top. It's getting covered. Listen, come here. Come here. Come here. May I request all our esteemed guests to kindly settle down so that we can begin with our evening's proceedings. Thank you so much. Well, they say that institutions don't just stand on bricks and mortar, they stand on trust, vision, and the people who believe in them. Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shweta, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to Science City for a truly special occasion, the 84th Foundation Day of Uco Bank, a journey of trust, resilience, and service to the nation. We warmly welcome our distinguished dignitaries, members of the board, and senior executives who have present, all of us are present here to mark this grateful occasion. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will formally commence our beginning by inviting all the distinguished dignitaries here on the dais. I cordially invite, with a huge round of applause, our chairman, Shri Aravamudan Krishan Kumar, on stage to be escorted by Jyoti Sinha. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our Honorable Chairman, Shri Aravamudan Krishan Kumar. He will be escorted by Jyoti Sinha. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the clap should not stop. Thank you so very much for keeping my request. And it should continue because one by one we will be calling all the distinguished dignitaries who are present to mark this great occasion. May I now cordially invite our MD and CEO, Shri Ashwani Kumar, on stage to be escorted by Jyotsna. Our Honorable MD and CEO, Shri Ashwani Kumar, to be escorted by Jyotsna. I would request somebody on the console to kindly continue the light on the spotlight for the convenience of me to read the names. Thank you so much. Somebody on the console is hearing? Please, I want the light the way it was initially. It's not here right now. The spotlight. Thank you so much. Yes, exactly. Thank you. May I now cordially invite our Executive Director, Shri Rajendra Kumar Sabu, on stage to be escorted by Mayuri Pal. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause who are already seated here, our Chairman and MD and CEO, sir. And now he will be joined by our Executive Director, Shri Rajendra Kumar Sabu, on stage to be escorted by Mayuri Pal. I would cordially invite our Executive Director, Shri Vijay Kumar Nivriti Kamble, on stage to be escorted by Anvesha. Our Executive Director, on his way to the dais, Shri Vijay Kumar Nivriti Kamble. I would cordially invite our Director, Shri Sudhir Syam, on the stage, escorted by Neha Rani. Shri Sudhir Syam, to be escorted by Neha. May I now cordially invite our Director, Shri Ravi Agarwal, on stage to be escorted by Ramyani. And last but definitely not the least, our Director, Shri Anjan Talukdar, on stage to be escorted by Momita Sahu. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for all our distinguished dignitaries here on the dais. We will now begin the evening by felicitating our distinguished and respected dignitaries on the dais with a planter, a shawl, and a memento. And for that, may I request Shri Abhimanyu Rajak, CGM, to kindly felicitate our Honorable Chairman, Shri Aravamudan Krishan Kumar. The felicitation should also continue with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so very much. Our Honorable Shri Chairman, Shri Aravamudan Krishan Kumar, being felicitated, ladies and gentlemen. A beautiful planter, a shawl of respect, and a memento. May I request Shri Rajesh Nagar, CGM, to kindly felicitate our respected MD and CEO, Shri Ashwini Kumar. Shri Ashwini Kumar, our MD and CEO, being presented with a shawl, a planter, and a memento, ladies and gentlemen, by Shri Rajesh Nagar. I would request Shri Manish Kumar, GM, to felicitate our Executive Director, Shri Rajendra Kumar Sabu. A moment of huge pride, ladies and gentlemen, to see all of these distinguished together, people sharing the stage together on stage. I would request Shri Shashikant Kumar, GM, to felicitate our Executive Director, Shri Vijay Kumar Nivruti Kamble. Indeed, a moment worth capturing, ladies and gentlemen. I would request Shri Saroj Nayak, GM, to felicitate our Director, Shri Sudhir Shyam. Our Director, Shri Sudhir Shyam, to be felicitated by Saroj Nayak. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request Shri A. Jana, GM, to felicitate our Director, Shri Ravi Agrawal. Our director, Sri Ravi Agarwal, being felicitated, ladies and gentlemen. And now I would request Sri P.S. Jha, GM, to kindly felicitate our respected director, Sri Anjan Talukdar. Indeed, what a beautiful sight to behold, ladies and gentlemen. And now, to mark this auspicious occasion, may I invite all the respected dignitaries on the dais to kindly proceed for the lighting of the lamp. Sir, I would request all of you to kindly proceed for the lighting of the lamp. Well, now that we have formally started this evening with the perfect lighting of the lamp, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the next set. Celebration is incomplete without a cake, right? So let's have a cake cutting ceremony as well to mark this truly special occasion. May I request all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly come here for the cake cutting. Can we have the cake, please? This one is really one special added performance, so it will take a little moment. Just a little moment and we'll be ready with the cake, ladies and gentlemen. Now this feels like a true celebration, right? To mark the 84th Foundation Day celebration of Uco Bank. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. This definitely deserves some clapping. वेल सिर्फ केक कटिंग हो रहा है, मुंह मीठा नहीं हो रहा है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी थोड़ा थोड़ा आप लोग मुंह मीठा भी कर लीजिए. सर आप केक काट रहे हैं तो थोड़ा सा मुंह मीठा भी करना होगा. Thank you so very much. We would be needing all of you back on dais again, but for now, I would request all of you to kindly take your seat on the hall. I would request all the distinguished dignitaries here on the dais to kindly take your seat in the respected in the hall so that we can proceed with the dance performance. And we would be needing you again, so I would request all of you to kindly come to the dais one more time. Please keep my request. Ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished dignitaries who were felicitated and who have marked and graced this occasion, a huge round of applause one more time. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us seek divine blessings. बोलते हैं ना भगवान के का नाम लिए कोई भी काम अधूरा रहता है ना लिए तो definitely हम उनका आशीर्वाद तो लेंगे. So we will be seeking divine blessings with the Ganesh Vandana presented by the children of Bharatendu Andh Ashram. Ladies and gentlemen, ये बच्चे बहुत ही प्यारे हैं तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका स्वागत करिए for the Ganesh Vandana.
ठीक है ये वाला
हाँ जी
ओके
ทำไมดูโดนคุยเลย
Sound. Om. 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 ओम। कागज की नहीं काठ की हम नाव चाहते हैं, हम तंग आ चुके हैं बदलाव चाहते हैं। माना की है अपाहिज पर हौसला है हम में, बैसाखियां न दीजिए हम पाँव चाहते हैं। आज यूको बैंक ने भारत माता के इन लाडले दिव्यांगों को पांव दिया है, ये मंच प्रदान करके। भारतेंदु अंध आश्रम से 55 साल बड़ी हैं आपकी तालियां। कृपया सबकी जोरदार तालियां बज जाएं ताकि इनको पता चले कि कितने
गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपितजम्बो फलचारुभक्षणम् उमासुसूतं शोकविनाशकारकम् नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपाद पंकजम्। हे गणनायक विघ्नहरो सुख संपत्ति आनंद करो। हे गणनायक विघ्नहरो सुख संपत्ति आनंद करो। पार्वती है मात तुम्हारी, पार्वती है मात तुम्हारी, शंकर पुत्र कहाया करो, शंकर पुत्र कहाया करो। हे गणनायक विघ्नहरो, सुख संपत्ति आनंद करो। रिद्धि सिद्धि के तुम हो दाता, रिद्धि सिद्धि के तुम हो दाता, भक्तों के दुखड़े मिटाया करो, भक्तों की चिंता मिटाया करो।
क्या ये लोग आप सभी को देख पा रहे हैं? यदि आप चाहते हैं कि आज आपको ये देखें, तो आपकी तालियां इनके लिए नेत्र का कार्य करेंगी और तालियां इनके स्वर के साथ चले तो हे गणनायक
विघ्नहरो, सुख संपत्ति आनंद करो। हे गणनायक विघ्नहरो, सुख संपत्ति आनंद करो, सुख संपत्ति आनंद। वक्रतुंड महाकाय, सूर्यकोटि समप्रभः, निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा, सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
जी मैं इनको बिल्कुल भी अपाहिज नहीं कहना चाहूँगी. They are definitely specially abled kids who might have been deprived by one aspect of their life, their eyesight, but God definitely blessed them with beautiful creativity of their songs and their voice. So a huge round of applause for these lovely children of Bharatendu Andh Ashram, ladies and gentlemen. और इन सभी प्यारे बच्चों के लिए एक छोटा सा नजराना यूको बैंक की तरफ से रखा गया है. सो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी इनके हैंडलर को कि काइंडली वो हमारे डिस्टिंग्विश्ड डिग्निटरीज की तरफ इन प्यारे बच्चों को लेके जाएं, सो दैट आवर ऑनरेबल MD and CEO sir Shri Ashwini Kumar can give them a beautiful gift on behalf of the Uco Bank for their lovely presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause as our MD and CEO Shri Ashwini Kumar presents these beautiful kids of Bharatendu Andh Ashram a lovely memento and a gift on behalf of Uco Bank. I hope all of you are able to see as we are doing this on the hall itself. एक एक कर इन सभी बच्चों को गिफ्ट दिया जा रहा है, ladies and gentlemen, by our MD and CEO. How humbly and with gratitude these kids are accepting the gifts. That's so very endearing to see, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now invite Shri Amit Srivastav, General Manager Corporate Communications, to deliver the welcome address.
धन्यवाद श्वेता जी मेरे को स्वागत भाषण के आमंत्रित करने के लिए। मैं भाषण की शुरुआत करूंगा एक श्लोक से। दीर्घदर्शिता यत्रा निष्ठाचा कर्मणि सदा सा संस्था कालजयी स्यात् यशस्या पूर्यते जगत। जहाँ दूरदृष्टि और कर्म के प्रति निष्ठा होती है वह संस्था समय को जीतकर विश्व में यश अर्जित करती है, बिल्कुल हमारे यूको बैंक की तरह। माननीय प्रबंध निदेशक एवं मुख्य कार्यपालक अधिकारी महोदय, कार्यपालक निदेशकगण, मुख्य सतर्कता अधिकारी, मुख्य महाप्रबंधक महोदय, प्रधान कार्यालय के समस्त वरिष्ठ अधिकारीगण, प्रिय सहकर्मीगण एवं यूको परिवार के सभी सदस्यों एवं उनके परिवारजनों का आप सभी को बैंक के स्थापना दिवस की अनंत शुभकामनाएं। आज का यह पावन अवसर हम सभी के लिए अत्यंत गर्व का और हर्ष का विषय है, क्योंकि आज हम यूको बैंक के 84वें स्थापना दिवस का उत्सव मना रहे हैं। इस ऐतिहासिक अवसर पर मैं आप सभी का हृदय से स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करता हूं। यूको बैंक की यह 84 वर्षों की स्वर्णिम यात्रा केवल समय की गणना नहीं है, अपितु यह विश्वास, समर्पण, सेवा और सतत विकास की एक प्रेरणादायक गाथा है। इस गौरवशाली यात्रा का श्रेय हमारे पूर्वज यूकोजनों के नेतृत्व, समर्पित कर्मचारियों और निष्ठावान ग्राहकों को जाता है, जिनके अथक परिश्रम, ईमानदारी एवं प्रतिबद्धता ने यूको बैंक को नव ऊर्जा प्रदान करी। आज जो हम हैं उन्हीं की नींव पर खड़ा एक सशक्त वर्तमान है, जिसका भविष्य अत्यंत सुनहरा है। आज का दिन हमें केवल उपलब्धियों पर गर्व करने का नहीं, बल्कि आत्ममंथन एवं नव संकल्प का भी अवसर देता है कि हम आने वाले वर्षों में और अधिक ऊर्जा, नवाचार और सेवा भाव के साथ बैंक को नई ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाएं। अंत में मैं एक बार फिर इस गरिमा गए समारोह में उपस्थित सभी अतिथियों एवं यूको बैंक परिवार के प्रत्येक सदस्य का हार्दिक धन्यवाद देता हूं और कामना करता हूं कि यूको बैंक की यह स्वर्णिम यात्रा निरंतर आगे बढ़ती रहेगी। जय हिंद, जय यूको। एंड आप सभी आज के इस शाम और इस प्रोग्राम को एंजॉय करें। इसी के साथ नमस्कार।
Thank you so very much, Mr. Srivastav. That was indeed a lovely welcome speech. And we will now present a short video that beautifully captures the 84-year journey of Uco Bank, its legacy, evolution, and the unwavering commitment to the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a beautiful audio-visual for the 84-year journey of Uco Bank.
When India was under colonial rule and the nation was fighting not just for political freedom, but for economic self-reliance, during the Quit India movement, one powerful vision took shape. India must have its own bank, built by Indians, serving Indian aspirations. In 1943, visionary industrialist Shri Ghanshyam Das Birla laid the foundation of a new beginning in Indian banking. With an initial issued capital of rupees 2 crore and a paid-up capital of rupees 1 crore, United Commercial Bank was born. With its head office established in the commercial heart of Kolkata, the bank began operations with 14 branches opened across India at inception, an unprecedented expansion that reflected confidence and purpose. Among the earliest patrons was none other than Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, whose association with the bank reflected the trust Uco Bank earned from the very beginning. We focused on expanding into rural regions, supporting farmers, small merchants, and families, making financial service accessible to those who were previously unbanked. Uco Bank stands among India's most extensive public sector banking networks, with a strong presence across urban, semi-urban, and rural India. Through our branches, ATMs, and e-lobbies, we ensure banking services remain accessible, convenient, and uninterrupted anytime, anywhere.
Namaskar. On the eve of the 84th Foundation Day, my compliments to all my esteemed customers, stakeholders, and equips. Since last 84 years, our beloved organization and our mother institute serving the nation for the betterment of the common man. I assure you, Uco Bank will always remain with the heart of the customer. Wish you all the best for all equips. Thank you. Namaskar.
We established our footprints internationally in Singapore, Hong Kong, and Tehran, connecting Indian business with global trade and financial networks. In 1969, the bank was nationalized, making a powerful shift from selective banking for the privileged to inclusive banking for every citizen. This transformed our role into a true people's bank. As the bank evolved, so did its identity, with multiple logo transitions reflecting the times. In 1985, through an act of parliament, our name was unified as Uco Bank, a name that resonates with trust and legacy across generations. Across decades, Uco Bank has been guided by visionary leadership, each managing director contributing to the institution's stability, growth, and transformation.
Latest transformation journey in Uco Bank is the digital transformation journey. The bank has taken up the project Parivartan. Under digital transformation journey, our customers are empowered. Now our customers are able to do the banking through straight-through process products. Now our deposit products and loan products are available 24/7 to our customers on all 365 days. Uco Bank has now emerged as a fundamentally strong, operationally resilient, and customer-friendly bank. We are now on the journey to become a future-ready bank and participate and contribute in the Viksit Bharat goal. Thank you. Namaste.
All this journey, our employees has been our strength, carrying forward our founding values of service, dignity, and trust. Honoring the past, transforming the future. This is the spirit that drives Uco Bank. In the digital India of today, we empower our customers with faster, paperless, mobile-enabled banking. With straight-through processing for loans, Uco M-Banking Plus, and Tab Banking for doorstep onboarding. Our services are truly instant, intuitive, and universally accessible. Our modern infrastructure reflects our readiness for tomorrow, from landmark branches at strategic locations to specialized services through our Forex branches, centralized loan processing hubs, advanced data centers, call centers, and robust digital security frameworks. We operate with strength, skill, and resilience.
As we celebrate our 84th Foundation Day, we stand at a moment of transformation. The banking landscape is evolving rapidly, calling for a cultural shift that nurtures innovation, creativity, and customer centricity across the organization. At Uco Bank, our focus remains firmly on enhancing customer experience through digital enablement while ensuring robust protection of our customers against frauds, upholding the trust built over 8 decades. Innovation in service, cultural transformation, and trust and relationships will continue to define Uco Bank's journey ahead.
With Aparajita and Aparajita 2.0, we foster growth in women's leadership, celebrating the talent and strength of women professionals across Uco Bank. At the heart of our banking philosophy lies a deeper purpose, enabling communities to grow and prosper. From supporting infrastructure development to rural progress, to empowering women entrepreneurs, Through CSR, we support community development, education, environment, and social outreach, strengthening lives beyond financial services. Our achievements in risk management, digital initiative, customer service, cybersecurity, official language implementation, and operational excellence have been recognized by industry and government bodies alike. Team spirit, collaboration, and passion. These values unite us.
The entire ambience setup of the bank is changed.
You don't. This is the central secretariat branch. No, Uco Bank.
Uco Bank. This is Uco Bank, and the Uco Bank looks like almost like if you enter into it, everything is digital services. Uco Bank. Okay.
With strong foundations and a modern vision, we continue to innovate and expand, building a future of financial empowerment and digital excellence for every Indian.
Years of unwavering service to the nation. Wow. Indeed, a very proud moment for all the individual members of Uco Bank, I'm sure. So ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Uco Bank for completing its 84 years journey. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I have the pleasure of inviting on stage one more time all our distinguished dignitaries on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I would be requesting our chairman, Shri Aravamudan Krishna Kumar, to be kindly on stage. I would request our MD and CEO, Sir, Shri Ashwini Kumar, to be on stage. I would request our Executive Director, Shri Rajendra Kumar Sabu, our Executive Director, Shri Vijay Kumar Nivruti Kamble, and our Director, Shri Sudhir Shyam, our Director, Shri Ravi Agrawal, and Director, Shri Anjan Talukdar, to kindly come up on the dais one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause one more time for our distinguished dignitaries who are gracing the dais right now. I would be requesting our chairman, Shri Aravamudan Krishna Kumar, to share a few words with all of us. Sir, may we hear a few kind words from you.
Thank you very much, Shri Ashwini Kumar, MD of the bank, my fellow directors on the board sitting on the dais, distinguished guests sitting in the audience, including past and present employees and officers of Uco Bank, I greet you on the occasion of the 84th Foundation Day of this bank, which is our bank. I have been associated with the public sector banking space for at least 50 years now, 2 of which I have been associated with Uco Bank. And I've seen this bank in the last 2 years grow from strength and possibly become a leader in the space of digital banking. All this has been done due to the leadership of Shri Ashwini Kumar, Shri Sabu and Shri Kamble, and of course, the entire host of officers in the head office and the various teams working at the branches who have translated the vision of the board of directors into reality. and made Uco Bank a name to reckon with in the banking sphere in India. This is, of course, not the end of the road. We still have a lot of work to do, still have a lot of goals to achieve. And I'm sure with your dedication and your enthusiastic zeal and spirit, which I have personally witnessed in the last 2 years, Uco Bank will go from strength to strength and will very soon find its place among the topmost banks in India. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the very best.
That was our chairman, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Aravamudan Krishna Kumar. And now may I request our MD and CEO, sir, Shri Ashwini Kumar, to kindly share a few words with us.
Respected Chairman, sir, members of the Board of Directors, Executive Directors, esteemed stakeholders, valued customers, distinguished dignitaries, dear Ucoites, and their family members. A very warm good evening to each one of you. Today marks an important milestone as Uco Bank steps into the 84th year since its founding on 6th January 1943. This day is especially meaningful as it commemorates not merely the establishment of an institution but the fulfillment of a larger vision, a vision centered on promoting financial progress, empowering communities, and strengthening the economic foundation of our nation. On behalf of all Ucoites, I warmly welcome you to the 84th Foundation Day of Uco Bank and extend my best wishes to everyone and a very happy new year. As you all know, visionary late Shri G.D. Birla ji, an eminent Indian industrialist during the Quit India movement of 1942, conceived the idea of setting up a commercial bank, and our bank was set up on 6th January 1943 with head office in Calcutta. From a modest capital base of 2 crore, bank achieved a business of 346 crore on its 25th anniversary in 1968. And now, when we are standing today, we have crossed 5,50,000. So more than 5,50,000 business has been crossed over a period of time. During this period, a number of achievements have been done by the bank. 1 lakh crore CASA business was achieved, 1 lakh crore RAM book was achieved, more than 2,40,000 crore of advances book is achieved. So many milestones have been achieved during this journey, and including last year we went for the QIP also, which was fully subscribed by the institutions and the public. So that is again a milestone achievement for our bank. From a first branch in foreign exchange, in India Exchange, Calcutta, Uco Bank has extended to pan-India network of 3,386 branches, including 84 new branches opened to commemorate our 84th Foundation Day. The bank also operates 2 overseas branches in Singapore and Hong Kong, and also a representative office in Tehran. Through credit deployment, the banking system plays a pivotal role in India's economic growth. Currently, the world's 4th largest economy, India is positioned to become 3rd largest economy by 2030 and the largest by 2047, supported by its emergence as the world's 3rd most digitized economy. And during this journey, banking industry per se plays a very important role, and Uco Bank has also a special role in that. Aligned with the Government of India's vision of technology-driven growth, Uco Bank has strategically aligned its operations and initiatives to achieve support and accelerate the digital transformation. Our bank's digital transformation journey, which started in last year Foundation Day, now has crossed 16,000 crore business, reflecting a fundamental shift in business origination and service delivery models. We currently serve more than 1.3 lakh customers whose credit sanctions have been processed entirely through digital platforms. We have 28 digital journeys already live across retail, MSME, agri, and liability products. There are many more journeys in the pipeline. The number of mobile users have grown from 16 lakh to 62 lakh in a span of 2 years. And that is registering an impressive growth of more than 300%. Our mobile banking platform enjoys a customer rating of 4.8 at Google Play stores, ensures uninterrupted 24/7 availability of our services, and in WhatsApp banking is now delivering 46 services across 5 languages. The contours of the banking sector are changing in line with the aspirations of young India, who is becoming increasingly technology-oriented. We are fast developing new age technology and other advanced capabilities to enhance ease of banking. We are launching various digital products and processes enables to enhance customer service and experience by improving its processes in tune of the credit centralization, verticalization, and monitoring. Accordingly, we have been upgrading a number of digital initiatives. To name a few, we are introducing Android POS machines, CBDC app, online claim, unclaimed deposits, branch visit slot booking, re-KYC through ATMs, Braille debit card for visually impaired people, flagging of Divyang customers in CBS priority service at branch and through call center, existing IVR system with 35 local total services, option to directly talk to the agent for senior citizens and priority/NRI customers. A Prajita debit card, an exclusive card for women customers, and implementation of digital queue management is also in pipeline. Our employees are most valuable assets, and we have undertaken a range of HR transformation and capacity building initiatives, which includes Project Samsiddhi, which we started last year. Now Project Samsiddhi 2.0 is going on. We have implemented digital library feature in Uco HRMS Plus mobile app, periodic sessions on stress management for employees, integration with TPA to assess Mediclaim information in HRMS portal, introduction of women-centric policy and policy on learning and development, introduction of internal social networking web space in Uco HRMS, introduction of Uco Saksham scheme, and additional finance assistance of 1,000 rupees per month to Divyang employees. Nomination of employees for various capacity building programs, including post-promotion training at premier institutes like IIMs. Continuous professional development support through sponsored advanced certification like FRM, CFA, and emerging domains such as data science and AI, including fee reimbursement and honorarium. In order to enhance customer centricity, enhancing customer service and experience while safeguarding our customers from fraud remain a key priority for Uco Bank. Through robust risk controls, technology-driven fraud monitoring, and continuous customer awareness, we are strengthening trust and ensuring secure, reliable, and customer-centric banking across all channels. Some of the initiatives and improvements undertaken to ensure efficient and effective customer service include API integration with I4C portal, implementation of Mule Hunter AI, new 8 digital toll-free number, augmentation of our EFRM solution, introduction of Vigil Plus, an AI ML-powered integration platform for cyber fraud protection, 360-degree customer feedback across products and services, biometric authentication for enhanced security in UPI transactions. As we look forward for the future, we have articulated a clear and ambitious roadmap under Uco at the rate 2030. Our vision is to redefine banking for the digital age by integrating cutting-edge technology with superior customer service, emerging as a leading financial institution driven by innovation and sustainable growth. To reach total business of 10 lakh crore, source 50% of advances through digital journeys, increasing business per employee to 45 crore and business per branch over 250 crore. Looking ahead, when Uco completes 100 years, Uco at the rate 100, that is Uco at the rate 2043, as Uco Bank, we aspire to become one of the top 5 best places to work in the financial market, emerge as a preferred banking partner for women and youth through customized products and services, achieve enhanced customer experience and employee efficiency through adoption of Gen I. Establish Uco Bank as most trusted and valuable banking brand in India. During this journey, our bank has bagged various awards. We got third position in outstanding performance in digital payment for the year 24-25, second position in outstanding performance in digital payment for the year 22-23. These awards were handed over none other than by Honorable FMM Secretary DFS. Second runners-up position under top improver category in EASE 7.0 Reform Index. Runner-up for the best performance on growth mid-sized public sector bank for third Emerging Asia Banking Award 2025. As we look forward, we reaffirm our commitment to further strengthening the bond we share with you. Accordingly, during the year and today, we are pleased to announce certain employee-focused measures which were approved by our Board of Directors in the today's board meeting. Revision of lodging expenses limit for our staff members, enhancement of monthly reimbursement limits towards newspaper and magazines, enhancement in entertainment expenses, and enhancement in our conveyance expenses. Before I conclude, let us take a moment to celebrate the achievement of the past 83 years and the collective effort that have brought us to this moment. On this Foundation Day, on behalf of entire Uco family, I offer my deepest gratitude to the bank's present and past leadership, Board of Directors, ex-MDs, EDs, and all Ucoites, present and past, for building this brand. This celebration belongs to you. Today is not just a date on the calendar, it is a moment of gratitude and pride. As we celebrate our Foundation Day, we pause to honor the countless hands and hearts that built this institution brick by brick, value by value. This bank did not grow overnight. It grew through the vision of its founders, the courage of its leaders, and the unwavering dedication of generation of employees who served with integrity, often in the most challenging circumstances. Many of them worked quietly, without applause, yet their commitment ensured that the bank stood strong in every phase of its journey. Their decisions taken in times of uncertainty shaped our destiny and protected the trust of millions of our customers. This legacy continues to light our path. With reverence for the past, commitment to the present, and hope for the future, I wish our bank continued strength and glory. I once again thank you all our Board of Directors, all our regulators, shareholders, investors, all stakeholders, employees, media friends for their continued faith in our strength and capabilities, our customers for their valuable support and the trust, and our employees for their tireless efforts toward achieving our goals. Salute to the dedicated, devoted, committed team of 21,000 plus Ucoites and our trusted customers. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Foundation Day and Happy New Year. Jai Hind.
Thank you so very much, sir. Those words were really encouraging and inspirational, right? And now we proceed for the next set of our event, ladies and gentlemen. Innovation being the cornerstone of growth, we now proceed with the product and service launches, followed by the digital initiative taken up by the Uco Bank. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be launching 9 products, 2 from the Resources Department, 3 from the MSME Department, 2 from ARBD, and 2 from the DIT Department. I would request all the distinguished dignitaries here on the dais to kindly launch the product with the press of a button. Get set and ready, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to have the amazing product launches of Uco Bank.
Celebrating 84 years of trust and progress
Huge round of
in the
applause,
august
ladies and
presence of our
gentlemen.
Chairman, MD and CEO and the Board of Directors, Uco Bank proudly launches its new products, powering tomorrow's banking. Uco Gig Savings Account is designed for freelancers, delivery partners and gig workers, offering zero balance banking, insurance protection, and complete digital convenience on the move. Uco Aram Current Account supports startups and entrepreneurs with low balance requirements, digital facilities, and banking designed for growth from day one. Uco Supply Chain Finance enables invoice-based funding for dealers and suppliers, improving liquidity and operational efficiency. Uco Smart Professional offers term loans, working capital, and credit guarantee support, helping professionals expand with confidence. Uco Solar Project Finance supports rooftop and ground-mounted projects with flexible repayment and long-term funding, helping businesses save costs and go green. Uco SHG Samriddhi Yojana. Financial inclusion becomes a reality, providing loans up to 20 lakh rupees with attractive interest rates to uplift livelihoods. Uco Krishi Unnati Yojana supports every agri-related activity and value chain financing, offering loans up to 100 crore rupees with flexible repayment up to 144 months. With CBDC intent and UPI intent, customers can make secure digital rupee payments from merchant apps using QR codes with strong authentication and instant settlement. Uco Bank honors your trust.
Amazing 9 products that were launched, ladies and gentlemen, today. And now we would be introducing 14 new services by the Uco Bank, which is going to be launching today. 3 from the Resources Department, 3 from the DIT, 4 from the OST, 1 from HRM, 1 from Vigilance, and 1 from the Credit Monitoring, and 1 from ARBD. Ladies and gentlemen, I would be requesting all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly launch these services with the press of a button one more time.
As we celebrate 84 years of legacy in the august presence of our Chairman, MD and CEO and the Board of Directors, Uco Bank presents its new initiatives, driving smarter, safer and stronger banking. Introducing Uco Bank's centralized CASA back offices at Kolkata and New Delhi, ensuring faster account opening, streamlined services and improved customer experience. Uco Bank now stands as a clearing bank for ICCL, enabling seamless pay-in and payout of funds for capital market participants. Uco Bank's integrated CMS drives CASA growth, enhancing customer convenience, reducing transaction costs, and optimizing cash flow management. Uco Bank's omni-channel banking delivers a seamless, secure, and unified experience across mobile, web, and tablet, anytime, anywhere. Uco Bank expands WhatsApp banking with 5 new regional languages, strengthening accessibility and financial inclusion. ULPS, Uco Bank's in-house solution for faster processing, reduced dependency, and enhanced operational efficiency. Uco Bank introduces an exclusive toll-free number for cyber fraud and emergencies, ensuring faster response and customer safety. Vigil Pulse, AI-powered platforms for fraud vigilance, unclaimed deposits, and enhanced customer trust. 360-degree customer feedback and happiness quotient, helping Uco Bank listen better and serve smarter. DAMS, a digital platform enabling transparent, efficient, and timely disciplinary action management at Uco Bank. VIMS digitizes vigilance investigations, strengthening accountability, transparency, and governance. EDCAM empowers smarter credit monitoring through digital control, accuracy, and proactive risk management. Digital SHG loans by Uco Bank, empowering self-help groups with faster credit and inclusive growth. Uco Bank honors your trust.
and gentlemen, that change is the only constant. And now, Uco Bank has embraced change by taking the digital initiative followed by the hashtag Uco Goes Digital. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at the short audio visual regarding the digital initiative of Uco Bank.
Not long ago, Uco's digital lending story was just beginning. Prior to Project Parivartan, in 2024, we had a modest digital balance sheet. But we had big aspirations to achieve scale. But scale needed more than ideas. It needed a strong foundation. We built on India's KYC stack and integrated the account aggregator network, tapped government lead portals like Jan Samarth, and leveraged the unified lending interface by RBI for standardized lending APIs. And we stitched it all together with an API-first architecture and fintech partners that let us scale fast. Then we turned that foundation into action. We incorporated a new vertical named Transformation Management Office, TMO, to drive many more targeted interventions and run carnivals, challenge weeks, and zonal competitions to make branches the engine of adoption. And almost a year later, the results speak for themselves. From modest beginnings, we have achieved a digital balance sheet of Rs 15,000 crore plus in December 2025. Today, 27 plus STP journeys are live. 9 plus journeys have crossed Rs 100 crore in sanctions. 9 plus journeys show more than 50% digital adoption. Recently, we have achieved a big milestone. 1 lakh plus STP loans have been sanctioned with the total sanctioned amount exceeding Rs 3,000 crores. Our aspiration is clear, 30 plus STP journeys and a Rs 25,000 crore plus digital balance sheet by March 2026. But how do we get there? What next? Introducing Uco Goes Digital, a campaign to boost awareness about our digital journeys, accelerate adoption, and reposition Uco as a digital-first bank. Ready? Hear it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Uco Goes Digital goes live with the press of a button now.
Uco Goes Digital officially launched. As part of
Huge
Uco
round
Goes
of
Digital,
applause, ladies and
multiple
gentlemen, for going
initiatives
digital.
such as social media
Congratulations,
posts,
Uco Bank.
interactive polls and quizzes, branch collaterals, customer testimonials, employee engagement programs, WhatsApp marketing, and many more initiatives are planned to fast-track us to our ambition. Let's all join hands to make Uco Goes Digital not just a campaign, but a movement across the bank.
Well, congratulations, Uco Bank, as we go digital now. And I'm sure this question is running in everybody's mind, ki what next? Well, product services launch ho gaye, digital ho gaye, abhi bhi bahut kuch baki hai mere dost. And now we move to an important milestone of today's celebration, ladies and gentlemen, as we will be inaugurating 61 new branches across India right here, right now. I would be requesting all the dignitaries here on stage to kindly inaugurate the 61 new branches across India with the press of a button. तालियां जोरदार होनी चाहिए, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a matter of joke. 61 new branches opening today, right here, right now.
On this joyous occasion of Uco Bank's 84th Foundation Day, we extend our warmest greetings to our valued customers, dedicated employees, and esteemed stakeholders. In the year 1943, Shri Ghansam Das Birla, an eminent Indian industrialist with vision and foresight, conceived the idea of establishing a commercial bank with Indian capital and management. On 6 January 1943, United Commercial Bank Limited was incorporated to give shape to this idea. The bank began its journey with its head office in Kolkata, the commercial hub of India, and simultaneously opened 14 branches across the country, marking a strong and confident beginning. On the 19th of July 1969, the Government of India nationalized United Commercial Bank, enabling it to play a greater role in national development and financial inclusion. Branch expansion, especially in rural areas, became the focus during formative years. The bank earned distinction through priority sector lending and social upliftment. Uco Bank also expanded its footprint internationally to Singapore, Hong Kong, and Tehran. With immense joy and dedication, we are expanding our reach by inaugurating 61 branches across the nation. In this financial year, Uco Bank has already opened 23 branches which are operational. Along with these branches, our new zonal office at Cuttack is also being inaugurated. Today, our network proudly stands over 3,386 branches. Our branch presence includes 875 in the northern region, 562 in the central region, 220 in the northeastern region, 1,013 in the eastern region, 376 in the southern region, and 340 in the western region. Out of 3,386 branches, 33% are rural, 28% semi-urban, 20% urban, and 19% metro branches, reflecting our commitment to inclusive banking. We celebrate not only our legacy, but also our digital transformation. Internet banking, mobile apps, WhatsApp banking, UPI Lite offline, and robust cybersecurity systems enable customers to bank anytime, anywhere. For 84 years, Uco Bank has played a key role in India's financial and economic growth. We thank our customers, employees, and stakeholders for their trust and support. Together, we are shaping the future of banking. Uco Bank honors your trust.
Indeed, a happy and joyous moment, ladies and gentlemen. Uco Bank honors your trust, and Uco Bank honors our veterans as well. Well, ladies and gentlemen, they say any institution grows stronger on the foundation laid by its leaders. And so we now take a moment to felicitate our respecters. I would be calling out all our retired general managers to request, and I will be requesting all of them to kindly come on stage. They will be felicitated by our distinguished dignitaries here on the dais. May I request Shri Ram Kumar, Shri UN Mitra, Shri Ranjit Mukherjee, Shri Partha Sen Gupta, Shri Gautam Banerjee, Shri Shyamal K. Das, Shri D.K. Roy, Shri P.K. Datta, Mrs. Maitri Banerjee, Shri Himadri Datta, Shri Kunal Basu Malik, Shri Chinmay Mukherjee, Shri Bijit Mondol, and Shri Pradeep Tagore to kindly come up on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, taaliyan thamni nahi chahiye. These are the people who have really taken UCO Bank forward with their diligent support and their hard work. I will be calling the name again. Ladies and gentlemen, Ram Kumar, UN Mitra, Mr. Ranjit Mukherjee, Mr. Partha Sen Gupta, Mr. Gautam Banerjee, Mr. Shamal K. Das, Mr. D.K. Roy, Mr. P.K. Dotto, Ms. Maitri Banerjee, Mr. Himadri Datta, Mr. Kunal Basu Malik, Mr. Chinmay Mukherjee, Bijit Mondol, and Mr. Pradeep Tagore. We would be felicitating our respected retired general managers, ladies and gentlemen.
You like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how.
I would now request all our distinguished dignitaries here on the dais to kindly take their seats on the hall so that we can begin our entertainment programs that is lined up only for all of you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to relax, sit back, let the hair down, and commence our entertainment programs lined up only for this special occasion, the 84 years of Uco Bank Foundation Day. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will be beginning the show with the celebration that would be incomplete without some homegrown talent. So the first thing is that we will be beginning the celebration with a beautiful dance performance by our staff, Mrs. Sangeeta Kundu and her troupe members, Tithi Biswas and Kiran Saha. And trust me, this is just the icing on the cake. Abhi picture baki hai. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together from Mrs. Sangeeta Kundu and her troupe members, Tithi Biswas and Kiran Saha.
Dim ta dim ta ta dim ta ta dim ta dim ta dim ta ta dim ta ta dim ta kita akan coba ta dim ta 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 ta dim ta
फाल्गुन आवल मलय प्रभंजन मंजुल मंजुल यमुनक तट पर फूल कुंज बने चंचल कोयला गाहे राधा राधा नाम मुरलिया बाजत राधा राधा नाम मुरलिया बाजत जावब कैसे अकेला डाल डाल पर किंशुक विकसित आवल मीलन बेला
পুরী ব্রজধামে বসন্তকাল কৃষ্ণ কথা তোমার এসো দেখা রাধা তব ব্যাকুল শান্ত কুঞ্জ তলে মধুকর যেন ফুল দলে আরে প্রাণনাথ তুমি শুধু রাধারে যে হবে বধূ মাতি বেড়াই তব লীলা
সুন্দরী অভিসারে যায় মঞ্জু বিকচ কুসুম পুঞ্জ মাধুপ শব্দ গঞ্জি গুঞ্জ কুঞ্জর গতি গঞ্জি গমন মঞ্জুল কুঞ্জ নারী
দর্শন কুন্দ কুসুম নিন্দু বদন जीतल शार इंदु घन गंजन चीकुर पुंज मालती फूल माला रंज राधा चले अभिसारे যতনে সাজারে ওরে কুসুমের মালা দিও গলে আরে প্রীতি কাহারে কয় ত্রিভুবন শ্যামময় কলঙ্ক লাজ ভাসে জলে
जोगिनी पागल पारा अंजन झूठ कंजनयनी खंजन गतिहारी किंकिनी कर कंकन मृदु झंकृत मनोहारी
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a beautiful performance by